Is your iPhone speaker sounding low or muffled? Before you think your speaker is damaged, try this simple cleaning trick that takes less than 2 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to properly clean your iPhone speakers and microphone the safe and correct way, and why you should do this regularly. For this, you only need a clean, dry, soft toothbrush. That's it. If you have compressed air, you can use it gently, but I personally prefer a toothbrush because it gives more control. Before cleaning, make sure your iPhone is turned off. Do not use water. Do not use alcohol directly inside the speaker holes. Do not use metal objects like pins or needles. Do not push anything deep inside. Even if your iPhone is water resistant, that does not mean you should pour liquid into the speakers. Now gently brush the bottom speaker holes using the toothbrush. Brush lightly in small circular motions. Don't press too hard, just let the bristles loosen the dust. You may actually see small particles coming out. Then do the same for the top earpiece speaker if you have an older iPhone. Brush gently across the grill without pushing inside. Also gently brush around the charging port, but don't push deep inside it. If you see thick lint inside the charging port, you can carefully remove it using a wooden toothpick, not metal. After cleaning, turn your phone back on and test the sound. Play some music, increase the volume, or make a phone call. You might notice clearer sound, louder audio, less distortion. I recommend cleaning your speakers once every 1 to 2 months, or anytime you notice the sound becoming muffled. If you live in a dusty area, you may need to do it more often. Avoid putting your iPhone directly in dusty or dirty pockets. Use a case that protects the bottom area if possible. Don't ignore muffled sound for months. Dirt buildup becomes harder to remove over time. So before you spend money fixing your speaker, try cleaning it first. Sometimes the problem is not technical, it's just dust. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe to Tech Tips for more simple iPhone tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.